Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I am here with an unboxing and it is not a stationary unboxing. It is actually a tea and hot chocolate unboxing or hot cocoa unboxing. So I am creating my children's advent calendars this year. They love chocolate and hot chocolate and tea. And since we're in a very cold climate, it's just something fun to do for this year for our Advent. So I'm going to also share my DIY Advent calendar. It was going to be a box, but it's going to be a bag now. And I'm going to share how I'm individually wrapping and our activities that we're going to be doing for our Advent calendar. So first off, oh, and this company is in London. The first, or Chelsea, which is in the UK. My first experience with Whittard, however you say it. Sorry for all those people in London. I'm sorry I'm butchering the name, but my first experience was when I was in London, and what impressed me was their Earl Grey. My husband loves Earl Grey, but they had little blue flowers in it, and my husband loves that tea. So that's how I got hipped to Whittard. And there's the information. And what's nice is for this big box, it's a nice size box. Here's my hands. And let's see if I can show you. Let's see. It's hard to show you the top here. I'm gonna have to show it upside down. But there, see, that's how the box comes. It came DHL, and yeah, we really enjoy their teas, and we've even bought their hot chocolate. You can also buy their items on on Amazon, but it's very limited. So for $20 for this huge box, and plus they had 20% off the site, so I was able to get some items off the site. I'm not going to show you the description yet because I want you to see, but this was inside the envelope. I ordered this November 5th, and it actually came about a week ago. So yeah, around that time. Today's the 21st, so yeah, about a week ago. So this says, if you are cold, tea will warm you. If you are too heated, it will cool you. If you are depressed, it will cheer you. If you are excited, it will calm you. William Gladstone. Tea is definitely a staple in our family. And so that's nice. I like how that's nice and how it's wrapped up. And there we go. So let's get started. And it's packaged very nicely. And so I'm going to pull out of the bag. Let's see what we're going to pull out first. Well, first, I will pull out my husband's Earl Grey. So he already has a canister, so I got him 2 of these boxes of Earl Grey. Oh, it's blue cornflowers that are in there. So there's the description. And their box is so pretty. So that is for my husband. His tea. Next, I bought this mango and bergamot tea. Green tea with flavoring. And mango and bergamot. So this one was a little bit more expensive, but I bought this because it's a fruity tea, so I thought that would be fun for the kids. I also bought this Classics Infusion collection. Isn't their packaging so beautiful? It's gorgeous. So I will open this up. See if I can, oh yeah, I can open it from this side. It's upside down, but this one, oh, this one you get, it says 50 grams. I think there's 25 bags. And so they do have some that are not prepackaged, but because I'm doing an Advent calendar for them, I wanted them packaged. So I will show you these flavors. So these are herbal teas. So first is the peach, raspberry, and rose. So what I almost did was purchase these individually, but I said, nope, it's better to get, it's almost like a bundle pack where you get different flavors. So I thought this would be perfect. And you get 5 of each flavor. So this is peach, raspberry, and rose. I have to fix that later. Elderflower and apple. Very Berry Crush. And that has, it says a Riotis Symphony of Bright Summer Berries, Sweet Rose Hip, and okay, a hibiscus flowers. I don't know how to say that word. Now this one, I don't know if they'll like, so I'm probably not gonna put this one in, but this is a lemon ginger, so that can be for me. So I got that. It's almost like a sampler box. I mean sampler. So I like that. So those you get 20, and like I said, it's a little bit expensive, but it's nice having a variety. This is called the Classics Infusion Collection. Next is the Wellness Infusion Collection. And actually, I noticed it says on the back what you get. So you get 8 sleepy, chamomile, flowers, okay, and then warming. I don't know how to pronounce that. So there, and then refresh. So you get 8 sleepy, 6 warming, and 6 refresh. And then it talks about, oh, it talks about it on the side. Okay. So chamomile, elderflowers, linden, there we go, lavender. So I can leave that there so you can see. Steep for 5 minutes. So licorice, people suffering from hypertension. Oh, should avoid excessive consumption. Some the warming has fennel seeds, ginger, licorice root. I don't know if they'll like that one. You know what? I think to think about it, I think I got this one more for me. But you know what? My oldest daughter as well would like that one. And then this one is being like, I guess, discontinued. So I wanted to try this. This is Turkish apple, and it's actually an instant tea. And let's see, where's the description? Blended and packed in the UK. So serve over ice for a long summer punch, or add hot water, curl up, and enjoy a soothing winter warmer. Oh, so this can be hot or cold. So this would be nice to have like on day like 24 or something. And it looks almost Christmassy. So that would be fun. So that. And then last but not least, I purchased this Festive Hot Chocolate Heaven Selections. 12 different kinds, fabulous flavors. And let's see, let's open it. So I was going to get the Advent Calendar Hot Chocolate, but it was like $80. So I think this was like 20 something, I think. So I just got 2 of these. I thought that was a way better deal. Let's see. Such a pretty can. All right. Let's see. So this is the regular hot chocolate. Rocky Road hot chocolate. Ooh, rich and dark. 70% cocoa, cacao, cookies and cream, white hot chocolate, raspberry ripple. I purchased some of this when we were in, or it was either I or my husband, but this one's really good, the raspberry ripple. That orange flavor, salted caramel, Christmas hot chocolate, cinnamon, nutmeg, and spiced plum, mint, white hot chocolate. So this one is, creme brulee. And this is just white hot chocolate. And last but not least, sticky toffee pudding. And that is a nice variety. I'm super excited about this. Can't wait to put their stuff together. And while I was at the Dollar Tree, really quick, I also purchased some some items. So my idea for this is I have these clear pockets. So some of them will come so they can't see what's in it. I'll wrap it in the paper. And so yeah, I got all these from the Daiso store when I lived in Abu Dhabi. So I have all these fun little bags. Yes, I'll be using those. And then I also found these cute little stirring spoons at the Dollar Tree. I purchased 2 of those. Candy canes. Found these cute little boxes. Found this box. So this was the one I found for $1. I tried to go to Joann and Michael's. Their boxes were way too expensive, so I'm hoping I can go back and get some more. But another option is I can always wrap up a box with Christmas paper and do it like that as well. But if I don't feel like to doing that, then I have some bags and some tags. And then more candy canes. So that is my little haul, and like I said, I will show you how I wrap all this up, and I'm super excited about doing this Advent calendar for my children this year. So I hope you enjoy this video. This is not a sponsored video. Paid for that with my own money, and I'm so happy with my items that I purchased. And if you're curious, I spent about $100. It is very pricey, but coming from the UK, I know it's a very good quality, and I don't know where you can find all these flavors of chocolate, hot chocolates, and that's also including shipping, so not too bad. So thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a very blessed evening and a happy Thanksgiving.